and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making Horror Story from the Destiny Cookbook. The ingredients we're going to need are 4 cups of almond milk, 1 1/3 cups of white rice, 1 cup of coconut cream, 3 cups of water, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 cinnamon sticks, and then 1 vanilla bean split in half with the seeds removed. And that's what I have here, are just the seeds. The first thing we need to do is combine our water and our rice and the 2 cinnamon sticks together, and then cover them and place them in the refrigerator and allow them to set overnight. I've already gone ahead and done that, and it looks like this. Our water's gotten all cloudy and the cinnamon sticks have softened up. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of this stuff moved out of the way so we have a little bit more room to work. The first thing we need to do is transfer our rice and water into a blender. And that includes the 2 cinnamon sticks as well. And then I'm going to process this until it's completely smooth, probably about 2 to 3 minutes. I've already been processing this for about a minute, and I want to go ahead and add in my sugar, and then I'll finish processing it for the next minute. Now that I have this as smooth as I'm going to get it, I'm going to strain it through my sieve. If you have cheesecloth, you could certainly put that in here just to help get rid of some of the grittiness and graininess from the cinnamon sticks and the rice pieces. Go ahead and do that. And I'm going to probably strain this through several times. Alright guys, I went ahead and switched over to a little bit finer mesh sieve just to help get that out. And as you can see, there is quite a bit of sediment that's left over. And I think we are pretty good there. Let's go ahead and transfer that over to the sink and get that out of our way. Go. Now all we have left to do is combine our remaining ingredients. I'll put in the vanilla extract first, followed by the coconut cream, our vanilla bean seeds, and the last thing to go in is our 4 cups of almond milk. And we hope that they all fit. There we go. I was a bit worried there for a second. Alright, let me get this stirred up and I'll pour a glass and we'll give it a try and see what we think about it. Our horror story is done, so let's get in here, give it a try and see what we think about it. Overall, this isn't that bad. Surprisingly, I don't get a lot of vanilla flavor in it. I do, however, get the cinnamon. It does leave a little bit of a chalky aftertaste in your mouth, but it's not all that unpleasant. Overall, the drink's not that bad. Would I make it again? Probably not. It's not really the type of stuff that we normally drink here, but it was fun to try out at least once. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys would like to be a part of the Gamers and Geeks playlist, leave me a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to tell you how you can get on the list. And while you're at it, remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist. We have a lot of videos over there, all contributed by a lot of wonderful people. So be sure to check that out, as well as some of my other Destiny Cookbook videos. I will leave links down in the description to them. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.